Welcome. In today's video, we'll show you how to check your birthday on Discord, specifically if you're using the Roblox app on your Android device. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Roblox app on your Android device. Once you're in, look for the three dots located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Give them a quick tap to open up the menu. Now, from that menu, select the Settings option. This is where you'll find all your account settings and preferences, so just tap on that to move forward. After opening Settings, you'll see several options available to you. Go ahead and tap on Account Info. This section contains important details about your Roblox account, including your birthday. Next, scroll down until you reach the Birthday section. Here you'll be able to view the birthday information associated with your account. If you're looking to make any changes or just double-check, this is the spot to do it. And that's it. Checking your birthday on Discord is as easy as that. Remember, staying updated with your account settings can help enhance your gaming experience and keep everything tailored to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.